How to sign out of everywhere in Microsoft 365. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign out from all devices, and then for that you'll need to head over to your Microsoft 365, and then you need to go to security and privacy, and then go to my account portal. So once it opens up, you will need to head over to security info in the left hand side, and then you can see sign out of everywhere. You just need to tap on that and you will be signed out from all of the devices that your Microsoft 365 is logged into. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.